Zhang Jike equipment and playing style. Personal equipment of Zhang Jike, National Hurricane 3, Blue Sponge and Tenergy Rubber. Spin and speed is the key to choosing the right paddle. Zhang Jike's nickname. Known as one of the best table tennis players in the world, Zhang Jike is the 4th Grand Slam champion in table tennis history. Zhang Jike is known as the Tibetan Mastiff due to his steel mental capacity and his rebel character. Zhang Jike's personal equipment. Zhang Jike is currently using the Butterfly Viscaria blade with the Tenergy 80 on his backhand, and a national version of Hurricane 3 Blue Sponge on his forehand. Zhang Jike is the one that popularizes the Viscaria ALC carbon blade. His equipment fits very well the playing style of Zhang Jike, backhand initiate attack with a high quality of spin and speed. Viscaria is considered one of the best professional blade in table tennis. For Zhang Jike, choosing the right equipment is so important. Due to the new ball, he needs to adapt to the new trend in table tennis. The most important factor for Zhang Jike is the spin. He said, "I think each player has a different request towards his equipment because the playing style and the playing quality differ from player to player. I place emphasis on spin and speed. The most important thing for me is spin from blade and rubber." Zhang Jike's special grip. Why does he need a custom handle for his Viscaria? Because he has a special grip to improve his micro-adjustment. His specialty is the quality, spin, and speed from his backhand. Zhang Jike's blade Viscaria. Zhang Jike's blade is the Viscaria with ALC. That's why nowadays, Viscaria is one of the most famous blades in table tennis. He confirmed, "It is some dozen years since I started using this racket, so I have the pride to know everything about its performance. This racket has the arylate carbon inside, so it can deliver a quality ball with enough spin and speed." Zhang Jike's forehand rubber. His forehand rubber is the National Hurricane 3, Blue Sponge. He is also using the booster to tune, you can clearly see the pimple boosted on the photo. Zhang Jike's backhand rubber. Zhang Jike's backhand rubber is Tenergy rubbers, Tenergy 05, and then Tenergy 64. Zhang Jike's custom blade dimension. Zhang Jike, as many pro players, asked for a custom handle size that fit well his style. The blade dimension can also be ordered for pro players. Like to increase the head size to 1 mm to increase the flex and the power of the forehand loop far away from the table. Or smaller head size will favorite the maneuver over the table, like the backhand flick, drop shot, or forehand quick counter. Here are the main dimension parameters of the blade. Zhang Jike has demanded a customized handle size. Note that there are several types of handles in table tennis. Zhang Jike's handle is a larger flared handle. Achievements. Zhang Jike is no doubt one of the most successful table tennis players in history. He could be the 2-times Grand Slam in table tennis. But unfortunately, it was too hard to achieve the 2-times gold medal in the Olympics. In the final match, he lost to Malvaldi. Let's review Zhang Jike's biography and his latest equipment, blade and rubber. Olympics. 2016 Rio Olympic Games, Men's Singles Qualifier. 2012 London Olympic Games, Men's Singles Gold Medalist. World Championships. 2016 World Championships, Men's Team Champions. 2015 World Championships, Men's Doubles Champion. 2014 World Championships, Men's Team Champions. World Cup. 2014 Men's World Cup Champion. 2011 World Cup, Men's Singles Champion. 2015 World Team Cup, Men's Team Gold Medalist. Zhang Jike's biography. Zhang Jike, the Chinese men's table tennis team athlete. Qingdao Shandong Luoning table tennis team in 2000. January 2003 enter the Chinese national team. 2008 National Championships. Most famous with a record of victory for the Liberation Army Men's Championship, Men's singles straight victory Ma Lin, Wang Liqin, 2 Olympic champions and Olympic runner-up Wang Hao. 2010, Zhang Jike and partner Wang Hao won the Guangzhou Asian Games Table Tennis Doubles Championship. May 15, 2011, Zhang Jike defeated Wang Hao in the men's singles final World Championships. November 13, 2011 Table Tennis Men's World Cup, won his first career World Cup champion. 2012 World Table Tennis Championships champion. 2012 London Olympic Games Table Tennis Men's Singles Gold and Table Tennis Men's Team Champion. 2013 World Championships successfully defending. October 3, 2014, South Korea's Incheon Asian Games Table Tennis Men's Doubles Final. Will Zhang Jike come back? The rumor says that he would retire soon due to his poor performance and his personal affairs. However, recently he shows his intention to come back. He said in an interview with Butterfly, his sponsor, that, "At the moment I want to keep playing as long as possible. I want to participate at the Olympics in Tokyo. I think I still have a chance in both experience and ability."
This tutorial is written by Coach EmRatThich. You can read it on the website, PingSunday.com.